Today we're going to show you how to properly dismantle a broken touchscreen. A lot of the times the touchscreen is glued to the actual LCD display. So we're going to show you how to properly and safely detach this touchscreen so you can replace your damaged or broken one with a new one. So for this demonstration, we're going to be using the Ford Lincoln My Ford Touch Sync 3 radio touchscreen system. This radio is found in Ford and Lincoln vehicles 2015 and up. This radio is also backwards compatible. So if you have the Ford Sync 2 navigation radio system, you can retrofit or actually upgrade to the Sync 3. The primary tool we're going to be using for this disassemble is a razor blade or box cutter. We recommend that you use a box cutter that has a safety handle, such as this one here. It's plastic. I can control the razor length with my fingers. We recommend not using just a razor blade by itself in your hand. That will get very dangerous and it could get a little messy. As you can see with this touchscreen, there isn't any noticeable damage to it. There are some dents and light scratching on the surface, so this would be deemed as something we would replace. So first what we're going to do is take our razor blade and we're going to come to any one of the four edges and we're going to gently insert the tip of the razor into the adhesive. So as you can see, the razor will smoothly slide into the adhesive. There's no force needed. Just slightly push the razor blade through the adhesive. And from here, you want to slowly go down the edge of the LCD. You want to make sure that you stay on the LCD edge and not allow the razor blade to go over, because the razor blade will make contact with the LCD display, which will cause further damage. You want to stay on the outside black border of the LCD display. As you can see, the razor blade is slicing through the adhesive as I'm slowly going down the outside border of the LCD. For this bottom side, you're going to want to move the touchscreen ribbon cable back towards the display itself. Again, this ribbon cable is attached to the touchscreen, not the LCD. So we've cut all four sides, so the touchscreen should be ready to just come off with a little force on one of the edges. Once you remove the touchscreen, you'll want to clean any leftover debris along the edges of the LCD display. So you don't have to completely remove this, because the new touchscreen that you put on top of the LCD display will come with a new border that will just simply go on top of this old stuff, so it won't be visible at all. So here is a brand new Ford Lincoln Sync 3 replacement touchscreen. As you can see, it has a screen protector on the back side, and there's also one on the front side that you will have to remove. So these are just simple screen protectors, just protecting the glass before it's installed in the vehicle. So once you remove this back screen protector, you'll see that each border now has brand new black padding. So again, this will rest just simply on top of the LCD display in place where the old touchscreen was installed. All right, so we've shown you how to remove a broken touchscreen from an LCD display. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave us a comment or question below and subscribe.